What percent of the population is shorter than you? Think about how you might answer this question. One method might be to make a large histogram. Each bar on the histogram represents the percent of the population in that bucket. Mark your height, we'll call it X, and add up all the percentages to the left. To get a more accurate answer, you would need more buckets or divisions. But then you'd be adding more numbers and have a lot more data to remember. Another method is to represent the distribution using a curve. Then the population of people shorter than you is the area to the left of your height. This does involve some calculus if your curve is ugly, but all you really need to know is the equation of the curve. In general, the curve is a better representation as it offers an abstraction of the data and allows us to use more advanced mathematical techniques. Not that we will in this course, but we could if we wanted to. This curve is called the density curve, and they have two properties. First, it wouldn't make sense for a negative number of people to have a certain height, so the curve must always be positive. Second, everything is under the curve, so the area under the curve is 1, or 100%. Any curve that satisfies these two properties is a density curve. The most famous is a normal curve. But a density curve could look like this or this, as long as it's positive and the area is 1.